Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be replacing that badge on this car. It's a scruffy old badge and it's in dire need of replacing. These are rare as hen's teeth. There's no one making sort of non-OEM ones. You can get second-hand ones, which I've got, but you do pay a pretty penny for them. So yeah, that's because I think it's because it's an E83 X3. So yeah, there's a finite number of them. The front ones are really common, and you can buy replacements. And have a look at my other video, and you'll see that, and you'll see me changing it. So I'm hoping there's 2 pins on the back of this. I'm thinking that it's probably attached using adhesive, and so I'm going to grab it and give it a pull and see what happens. So here we go. Isn't it great when things just happen? So it's come off. There it is. It's scruffy as heck. And there's a sticky pad on the car. So sticky pad on the car is something I'm gonna have to try and replicate using with an alternative sticky pad. So I've got some plate fix sticky things, which I'm going to try and cut to size, and we'll see if we can do that. First of all, I'm going to try and get it off the car. It's just peeling off, it's quite easy. Skip this bit if you're bored. Of course, just pulling this off like that has made me realise that these are quite easy to steal. So if you're worried about someone stealing your badge, maybe excuse me, maybe pull it off and put it back on with something really tough, like I don't know, Tiger Seal or another waterproof adhesive. Might never get it off again though. This is just a soft cloth. I'm just wiping it, cleaning it. Bit of water that's on the car. Don't do that. I don't want you to fall off. Because you can't see what's going on. No. Such is the nature of live video. Just broken my phone tripod. Never mind. We'll carry on. If you're a keen car buff, you might want to polish this. I'm not. It's a very bloody day today. Right, so I've got this. I've got these. I'm going to try and make up something that's the same size as the old round adhesive. So let's get one of these out. So I've got one of these. Have I got one of these? Or have I got a half one of these? So I've got a half one of these. Maybe I'll do it in bits. Yeah. So all I'm going to do is trim this self-adhesive pad, which is very sticky for holding number plates on, to the right sort of size for my badge, and then I'll stick it on. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just got to do the job. I've got a pen here somewhere. Sharpie marker. There we go. Let's mark this out. So I'm just going to mark on here where I'm going to go. Use this up. Just kind of going around here, and I go around here, just to try and give me the right sort of size. There we go. And I'm going to cut this to the right sort of size. I thought I had a whole one of these in stock, obviously not. Doesn't matter. I live in a low crime area, no one's going to steal this. If you're in a high crime area, use Tiger Seal or something similar to that. There's that in there. Bit of a hole for the peg to come through. Yeah. Bit of wind, mind you don't fall over. Okay, we're getting it. Sticky man. Rah, rah, rah. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll stick that onto that. Lots of bits, of course. Of course, there are. That'd be too easy. Let's do it. Let's leave those on there. La 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 la. Oh, yeah, that's very sticky. Last one. Go onto here. Stick E-pad. There. Right, so just sort of sticky pad on there. I'll put another bit of sticky pad around the bottom. It's a very sticky pad, so yeah, it's all good stuff. Let's trim this one. it underneath. Sticky pad, roll, roll, roll. Sticky pad, roll, roll, roll. Stick a bit more on here. And like that. There we go. Bit sticky pad. Right, let's get rid of this paper. I think we're ready to go. And hopefully, there are 2 holes in the back of the boot. You can see them there. They line up with 2 pins. Lots of sticky stuff. On we go. And I'm going to push it hard. Looks pretty amazing, I think. Buy yourself a nice big sticky pad before you start this job. Don't rely on the scraps or whatever you've got in your cupboard. That's the only lesson I'm going to give you on this one. But if you want to change your rear badge on your X3, pull it off, clean it up, stick a new one on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks, guys.